Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a green smoothie. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of leafy greens, like spinach or kale, and 1 cup of liquid, such as water or unsweetened almond milk. For a touch of sweetness, add about 1/2 cup of your favorite fruit. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a delicious and nutritious drink. Let's get blending. Achieving a perfectly smooth green smoothie is easy with the right technique. Begin by blending your leafy greens with the liquid first. This helps break down the fibers more effectively. Once that's smooth, add your fruit and any other desired ingredients. Blend everything together until it reaches your preferred consistency. A powerful blender makes this process quick, often in less than 1 minute. Now that you have the basic recipe, it's time to customize. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds or flax seeds. If you want a more substantial drink, a scoop of your favorite protein powder works wonders. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruits and vegetables to discover new flavor combinations. The possibilities are endless for your perfect blend. Your delicious green smoothie is ready. For the best taste and maximum nutrient absorption, it's ideal to drink it right away. If you have any leftovers, simply pour them into an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 24 hours. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling great, check out the link in the description for Little Tree's black ice and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.